would love to go in a fake Sangeet.
Hi Brune, thank you for talking to us.
What kind of cousins or family members or relatives would you be at a wedding?
On the dance floor, drunk, one who does not get tired at all.
I attended a fake Sangeet today. Yes, you heard that right. No bride, no groom, just the fun vibes and dancing. Well, they're a group of 20-somethings. They're called Saddi Gully and they created a scam Sangeet, which is basically just a party, but bring your Indian outfit. So here I am, ready in Indian. So namaste and let's take you there. What made you come to a fake wedding? What was your reason?
First of all, we all just need a reason to dress up, and it's all the Gen Z vibes that we need today, and great Bollywood bangers to dance on. So that is a great trap to bring in people like me who loves dancing, who loves having a good time.
And what about you?
I think because my relatives aren't here. And I can drink. This is a first time that I've heard something so crazy about it.
All right. And what kind of cousins or family members or relatives would you be at a wedding?
On the dance floor, drunk till the end. My kids are somewhere else, my husband somewhere else taking care of the kids, and I'm on the dance floor for sure.
And what about you, the husband in question?
Basically the dance guy. Everywhere.
What kind of?
Definitely be the drunk uncle. I can vouch on that.
What about you?
I would be the same person, but for now I will be one who does not get tired at all.
What are you looking forward to the most at the event?
I'm looking forward to dance, obviously, and music, Bollywood music, obviously, because it's a scam Sangeet. So I love Bollywood music, and
We are really excited to get the feel of the Sangeet without the wedding. So I'm really excited to see the decor, the feel, the arrangement, how it is. Because it's really boring to go to a wedding when parents tell us to go. But I would love to go in a fake Sangeet.
Nice. And you bought a gift as well?
Yes.
Nice.
That's not fake.
And if such events happen, would you go in the future?
definitely, obviously, definitely.
Was the money man or the woman?
The money man part.
Okay. What was the day like? What triggered this particular idea?
Right. So I was with Alicia, and we were just hanging out at my place. Alicia's brother is getting married.
Okay.
So she wouldn't stop talking about it at all. It was all the things that we heard about for the past 6 months. Like her brother is getting married, her brother's getting married. And I think we were low-key in a FOMO. But FOMO ho raha tha hame. So we were like, you know what, let's just organize a fake shadi and everything. So
What do you see as the future of this particular event?
I definitely think we might expand it a bit in, Indian shadis ke hi vibe mein.
Okay.
But definitely we will love to explore every possible way.
Okay, and lastly, Gaurav, what is your ideal guest? You want only the right kind of people to come here?
Karan Aujla.
Karan Aujla would be
yeah.
last, okay, quickly. What kind of a relative are you at a wedding? Like there's drunk uncle, there's cool auntie. What are you?
I am the nonchalant brother. I just am at the corner of every room.
Okay.
I just exist there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nidhi, what about you?
I think I am the drunk uncle.
I might probably be dancing throughout the event.
You're the dancing queen.
Yes.
What about you?
I am a labor. I do all the work. If you are seeing this, please, next category, aa jao, please.